All right, so this particular table gives us the median home prices in the United States by selected region. And this other table gives us the median home prices and the related data for selected northeastern cities in 1986. All figures are median amount. So in 1986, for which of the cities listed was the median home price minus the median down payment price greatest? So we have 5 cities listed here. Of course, we have more than that. Our focus should be to evaluate the difference in the answer supply with respect to the table given. So in order not to waste time, we go to New York. In New York, the price, because all the figures given to here are median amount, so we have to understand that. So the median price of home in New York is $129,700, and of course the down payment, because we are considering the median price home price with down payment, the down payment is 42,250. So we are looking for the greatest difference. All right, so for New York, we are going to be having 129,700 minus 42,250, and this will give us 87,450. Okay, then the next one is Boston. So let me use BO for that. For Boston, we have $126,000, right, minus $30,000 dollars. So $126,000 minus $30,000, that will give us $96,000 dollars. Then we have Newark. So let me use NW, and Newark is $116,000 minus $29,450, and this will give us 86,550. All right, then the last, we also have Danbury. So I will use DB. So for Danbury, we have 95,950, right, minus 19,750. So 95,950 minus 19,000, that will give us 76,200. And lastly, we have Pittsburgh. So we can say PT. So for Pittsburgh, which is this 54,150, right, minus 11,500, and this will give us 42,000, that's 650. So of all this, which of them has the greatest difference? So if you look at this, 87,000, 96,000, 86,000, 76,000, 42,000. So obviously 96,000 is the greatest difference, and that corresponds to Boston. So therefore in 1986, Boston has the greatest difference in the median home price to the down payment price in the selected region. So the correct answer is this. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.